Yep, bit of old damage on them, all right, not too bad. So, Tipperary Raceway, up the up way, yeah. So, look, we'll show you the process of basically what it is to repair this bumper, get it back ready. Should leave them like new. Lovely weather today, guys. Thanks for joining me on the update for the bumpers. We shall be showing you the process of the repair. Anybody else been following the first video, this is the next stage. But yeah, we shall be grinding away anywhere the cracks are gone through on the bumper. This is a heavy bumper. The likes of all here, there, even down the bottom of it here. The most important thing, this is nearly a workout in itself. The most important thing is to grind a good distance back from where the cracks are, because you need to open up the original resin for all the world, because if you don't do that, you have nothing to bind to. I know lads that would just come in and fiberglass over that and you would just peel it off with a knife or whatever. But yeah, we'll get set up and do a bit of grinding. Now we're going to get these two levels here basically back up. All the strimming is, all the grinding is out of the way. So normally I put masking tape over that first, because stuff will be seeping through from the inside. And as Doreen Allen would say, here's one I made earlier. Apologies for the sound. You can have a quick gander at that there. So it brings it up to the level. So basically, as you can see, we have reinforcement in on the back of it there to just hold this shape. So we'll be fiberglass in that. And this section here, anywhere the cracks is, we'll be putting fiberglass into it. As I said, flat play at the back. Always put masking tape on anything you're backing it with, because masking tape comes away from resin. So onto the resin we go. Now we're on to the resin stage, guys. What we like to use is basically, we call it mush basically. It is little chopped strands of fiberglass mixed in with the resin. It's like a filler. So anywhere there's a deep void, we'll call it, we'll pack this stuff into it. It just leaves it that you're sure of getting a proper fixture. Then we get our lovely matting. I like to wet them out first before I actually put it in on it. It leaves it easier on it. And that is basically the process. So you just keep doing that until you're happy. Not necessarily. Brush. So make sure and shove that down into it. And when that's all completely covered, we come along with our roller. You want to make sure it binds together. As you can see, we have all the bits and pieces fiberglassed in, repaired, so it's just on to the next stage now. And also, guys, when you're repairing the inside, leave it as tidy as you can, because it just looks nicer and it shows pride in your work, basically. So they'll be all these brackets now will be all stripped out, and that'll be good and ready for fillers. Anyway, this is the next stage. We strip down all the brackets we put in. Take off all the masking tape, and basically we'll grind down this section here. If it's a deep cut in it, we will add some mush or just fillers, but that's solid. So that is, oh, cried in dust. Yeah, we're just getting ready to do fillers, guys. I'm not going to bore you with the whole putting in the fillers aspects of it or anything like that, but if anybody does want to see it, we'll have another video up. Apologies, guys, this is going to be a part 3, but sure, look, that's the way time goes. Thanks for tuning in. We'll chat you on the next one. And that we did. There you go, guys. There is the finished job. Is it. Yeah, we didn't bother doing the video on the filling and sanding, basically, but that is where we ended up. Delighted with the way that turned out, and guys, thanks again for following the process along the way. Once again, anybody that has any questions, feel free to ask. We'll answer them as best we can. Take care and God bless.